Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to edit your continue watching section on Disney Plus. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this method works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go to the official Disney Plus website and then log into your account. If you do not have an account, then just create a new account, and after logging in, you will be brought up to this page right here, which is the main page of Disney Plus, where you can see all your TV shows and movies that you can watch. So yeah guys, if you scroll down a bit and you find the continue watching section that is bothering you and you want to remove some TV show or some movie, then you will do the following. First guys, there are a couple options that you can do. If you want to remove only one of them, then you can find either the movie or TV show that you want to remove. Let's say this is the movie that we want to remove. You want to enter this movie right here, and it will open up, and then after opening up, as you can see in this window, you want to do the following. You just want to go ahead and click on the last seconds of this movie right here, so it will be brought to an end, and let it play. After it finishes playing and the movie ends, then you can go back to your section and the movie will be removed from your continued watching section. You will only have what you want left. If it is a TV show, then all you have to do guys is go ahead and do the same, but you have to go to the last season and the last episode of the last season and just do the same right here. Go to the last second and let it finish, and then it will be removed from your continue watching section. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.